Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will work out this complicated looking math equation with exponents, and there's a simple trick to work these kind of complicated looking problems. Let's go ahead and just start. Let's understand what we have here. We have the ninth root of 3 to the power of 4, fifth root to the power of 5, fourth root to the power of 6, and the square root of all that. Okay, we know that a square root is actually equal to the exponent half. A fourth root is equal to the exponent 1/4, and obviously the fifth root will be an exponent 1/5. So basically all these numbers here, including the square root, which is a 2, are the denominators. So let's just plug it in. Our main number here is 3. So we write 3 and we plug in, this is the exponent. Let's put in all the denominators we can see here, which are 9 into 5 into 4 into 2, and plug in all the powers we have here, which are 4, 5 and 6, and that makes it so much easier. Let's cancel out what's common. 5 and 4, 5 and 4, 2 and 2 goes here 3 times, and 3 goes here 3 times, and we are left with 3 to the power of 1/3. So simple to work out something this complicated. Okay, to get you a bit more accustomed to this, let's work out some more exponents. We have here the main number is 5, okay, and the exponents are, we'll do the roots first. We have 3, these are all the denominators, all right, 3 into 6 into 12, and then we put the numerators, 4 into 8 into 9 into 18, multiplied by base 5. Let's take, these are all your denominators, which are 4 into 8 into 9, and numerator 6 and 12. Let's cancel it out and see what we get. 3 and 9 3 times, 3 4s are 12, cancels this out. 6 3s are 18, so we are left with 5 to the power of 8 3s are 24 into let's cancel this out now. 4 goes here 3 times, and 3 goes here 3 times, 3 goes here 2 times, 2 goes here 4 times, and we are left with 1/4. According to the rule of exponents, when we multiply, we have to add your exponents, 24 and 1/4, which is 24 whole, and 1/4 works out to 97/4. When you work with exponents, we don't leave whole numbers. We don't use mixed numbers as an answer in your exponents. We always have to give you the improper number. So the answer is 5 whole and 97/4, and that's your answer. Thank you for watching this video, this simple math trick to make such a complicated math sums much easier. Please subscribe to watch more tricks like this. Till next time, bye.